this nice car here. Would be a shame if somebody were to. Oh wait, what's this in my hands? We're going for a joyride. We're going for a joyride, dog. Hold on. We're gonna go for a joyride today. Since my piece of shit car wants to fucking fuck up on me and shit. What the fuck is this shit? What's this shit? Oh well. Bye bye shitty car that decided to fuck up on me this morning. Go. Ding 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 ding. Yay, it turned off! Yay! Let's listen to some tunes, shall we? Thanks for the welcoming music, Camry. No, really, thank you. I appreciate it. I mean, fucking, I'm here now in not my car, and you know, it doesn't have gas, so I might get stranded again. And it just has all this shit in here. But the upside to this is I get a lot more keys. I think. I don't even know if that's a good thing or not. Why? Why the fuck? Why? 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 Let's play some rap. At least it's just because it isn't my car. Let's see how good the bass is.
Just wanna be a dope nigga. Solid homies and some coke sniffers. He just wants some Oreo 6s. So you can holla at the dope bitches. Looking for an easy way, gotta get the riches. Any nigga blocking, he gon' leave him need the stitches. All his homies ready to strap. Still the bitches won't holler back. I mean, he gotta hustle since he can't get a job. Never really tried, so we never got far. Living off a bitch, but you know it's still mine. Looking like a come up, then you getting robbed. He just wants some Laney 5s. You got his size and he's shooting for them DB9s. Smoking perp in YouTube, stunting got his mind. He don't wonder if she not a 9.
The bass hits. I don't know if you could tell, but it does. Let's do another song. Let's see here.
I bet that shine like that. Yeah. I bet that shine like the sun or the stars do. Seeing from a far view. Big fish and sharks both fear me like a harpoon. The game dry and make it rain like a monsoon. The sucker talk got you drawn like a cartoon. Pay attention when the king speak. Team elite, fars runs, we on a mean streak. This shit's a clean sweep. Stay around supreme peaks. Kings
Let's watch this rattle again.
Like it's Beat Street. Yeah. Top seated with a team beat. Grinding down some purple leaves from a green tree. Only queens where I plan to leave my seeds. Game peak in my zone. Like a 2-3. Base heads around the world, it's the new scene. Faces change, same crown and some new rings. Same threads, more clout with the new scheme. Life was whack, now every day I live a new dream. Let me find out a nigga hate. From my circle I eliminate him. Your fruity heart pump, midnight lemonade. Always know that you make it like a star. Everybody knows, in the air of a goddess, everything goes. And this is what she said. They said I'd be great. I said I'd be back and took a trip out of space and got solar blunt suited. It feels like Nirvana, I'm fine, but shit, I'm solar blunt suited. Not turned up or out of my mind, but shit, I'm solar blunt suited.
That's surprising to see. Damn. Alright, let's see. I hope these guys don't mind if I played some of their songs. Hope not. I don't know, is there any other ones I could try? If not, I'll just end the video here.